Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change Wi-Fi password in the Ring app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Ring app, and once you open your Ring app, it will lead you to this interface, which once you reload will end up getting in this page. So now simply scroll down below and select a device you want to change your Wi-Fi password in, and simply tap on the settings option. After you do so, simply tap on the device health option. After doing this, you will find the network name and your change Wi-Fi network option. So simply tap on it and simply tap on change Wi-Fi network. Here the thing is, if you change the Wi-Fi network, your password for your account will automatically be changed in the Wi-Fi. So simply tap on the light is flashing blue and tap on got it. After this is done, you need to tap on the join option as well. So after this is done, you will have your device getting connected. Then you can simply tap on any of the networks you want to join your device to and simply type in the new password which you have on that network. So after this, tap on the continue button and your device will be again ready to join it. And after all this process is done, your Wi-Fi password and your network will be changed on your Ring device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.